Hello my planner pals and welcome back, and if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Karma Design, and today I am sharing the update of my yearly planner budget. I don't know at this point why I'm even bothering, but I said in, what was it, July, end of June, beginning of July, end of June, I joined Planet Fitness. Next door to Planet Fitness is Hobby Lobby, and it's going to be my downfall. And that's okay. I don't drink, I don't smoke, I go work out, I go to Planet Fitness, and I buy sticker books. That's what I do. That's okay. So I didn't buy anything craft related in July, but I did buy some new sticker books. Heaven help me, I can't even. So I'm going to show you what I bought, how much it is. It is $31.86. I can just see that on here, and there are 4 stickers books, which was, what did I say, $31.86. Did I need any after buying 8 in Q2? No, and I still have 2 months of Q3 to go yet, and I've already spent my budget. But here we are. That is that updated. So what did I buy and how much stuff did I actually use? So here is the proof in the pudding. I bought 1 sticker book at $13 and then 3 at $5.50 each, so $31.86. Here's what I bought. I seem to be in a big sticker book thing right now, like the mega sticker book thing, but at $13 I could not pick this up. I could not pick this up. So on this side we've got a load of florals. This, I actually have the planner for this. I don't know that I used the dividers yet, but I have the planner for this. So we've got some florals, got some boxes, yeah. And then on this side it is mostly functional stuff. So yeah, it's kind of weird, it's got like reservations and stuff in, but I'm hoping that these match. Yeah, looks like they do. And then I got random silver from somewhere, like yeah. But breakfast, lunch, and dinner, I'm like, at some point, okay, so here's one of the reasons I bought this, and you do you, your mileage may vary. I like these boxes, like the 1-inch width, because I turn them this way and use them in my wellness planner, and I'll just white out the bit that I need to white out or put another sticker in there. So yeah, and then we've got more florals. I have the sticker book to go with those as well, so I may take these apart. We've got some just generic planner stickers, some monthlies, some weeklies, breakfast, lunch, and dinner again, grocery shopping, call, pay. I was literally looking for one of these yesterday. Payment would have been fine as well. Weddings, anniversaries, plan, make, organize. So there's some functional stuff, some decorative stuff, but for $13, yes. And then I got 3 sticker books. They were all $5.50 each. Again, we've got 2023, 2023, and 2022. This one I know is mom themed. This one is a big, and these are classic. So the big is Taming the Wild. You know that I like my animal print stuff, and the color scheme of this felt like the Woodland Seasons. So I'm hoping that they do match. It just felt very fall, and as we head into fall, I'm down for that. But also it's a big, and you know that I'm after big for my project life. Got the Very Calm, which is a wellnessy type, that's washi tape, a wellnessy type book. Those are bullets. You can't see, but those are bullets. So we've got a wellness. It says focus on breathing, focus on journaling, 90-second exercise, 5-minute exercise, focus on breathing, focus on kindness, focus on gratitude. What was the other one? Hang on. Focus on mindfulness. These are kind of interesting boxes. I'm not quite sure what I will do with those, but they're interesting. These seem rather skinny. I don't know why. I think it's just the white. I don't know. They just seem skinny. I love the circles. Love the circles. So yeah, that was the Calm Life. And then I bought Fresh Bouquet. Again, $5. This is mom themed, I believe. So I've got yellow flowers, I've got flowers, yeah. Moms have more fun. Mama, you totally rock. My mom game is strong. But I do have see, those are the only ones that are mom. Nothing mom related there. So there's only a few stickers, like there's another mom one, I can't think what it's called. Mixed Media Mom. That has a few stickers that are mom related. Yeah, only that one has a mom. So I do plan on doing use all the stickers for these at some point. At some point, I will, again. I love this size. This size is my wellness vibe. My wellness vibe. Again, motherhood, you just cut that off. Don't need it. So it's mom themed, but it's not overly mom themed, is what I will say. It's more family, memory keeping type thing, I would say. Again, only that one has mom on it. And you could just literally cut that out and just have a square box. But yeah, so those are the four sticker books that I bought. I have a sickness. And then we have this hot mess. So I used a whole whiteout. I did use an adhesive thing as well, but I didn't save that. Then I have all of this. $35 sticker sheets, and then one of these, which is about 2. Let's say 37. 37 sticker sheets. And then the clear ones, the clear sticker backer sheets, I save. And these will go in my create your own sticker book thing. All right, and that is my update. So yeah, I bought 4 new sticker books, used 37 sheets of stickers, which doesn't equate out, in case you're wondering. But yeah, I'm also not upset about it because I like the sticker books, so it's fine. It's fine. I have a problem buying sticker books. It's my only vice. It's fine. All right, let me know how you're doing with your budget. Again, I am going over budget and I'm fine with that. I'm fine with it. It's okay. It's okay. Keep telling myself that. I have no other vices. Sticker books are my vice. So yeah, let me know how you're doing with your budget. Did you buy the new Happy Planner Beetlejuice Be Happy box? I looked at it. I like it. However, I'm not paying the money for things that I'm not going to use, like the pin, the embroidery patch, the pencil pouch. I'm just not going to use that. It's no point. And it's a vertical dated planner. I just don't know why I would want that. I like the notebook. I like the notebook idea. I like the washi tape and I like the sticker book. Again, stay in your lane. Stay in your lane. Paper, products, and stickers. Stay in your lane. All right. I hope you enjoyed this and it just showed you that I am using my stash. Even though I'm bringing more stash in, I am using it. So yeah. All right. If you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye.